Hi guys, I'm going to explain you how to create a database connectivity and also how to create cookies using PHP. So this is my page and login underscore db is the name of my database and users is the name of my table. So I have given a maximum of 25 rows which can be inserted to this table, and this is the name. So this is my rows, 3 rows I have inserted already, and this is my username. It's the corresponding passwords. Now I try to log in and register. Now I give my login user as Amal and password same name. If I try to log in, sorry. Now if I try to log in, it shows it's login successfully. And if I give a different password, say some random alphabets, so if I try to log in, showing invalid username and password. So in that case, if I try to register, so I give my sign up page, I give some random username as QWERT. So password says some QWERT. So now I try to click register. It says register successfully. Now if I try again login using QWERT and password with QWERT, so it shows login successfully. Let's see how this code works. So I have created 4 PHP doc files, first for register, second for database connectivity, third for displaying my log successfully page, and fourth for sign up. So starting with this register, I have included an external style sheet which I will not explaining in here in this video. So I'll be creating a field set as here login name. This is a field set with this legend login here, and I'll be using the form elements. Form input method will be post, and my action will be register.php, which is this file. This file will be called. So inside this form elements, I have three input elements which will be taken as a text element and password, and also I have a button to submit. So that's all for this register. So now creating the database connectivity. So for this I have a host called localhost. I'm creating this variable, and I need to create a username which is root, and I create no passwords. So first of all I have to set a connection. For this I create a variable called $_con, and for connection I use MySQLi underscore connect, my name, my data, my host name, this is my username, and this my password. In case if the connection is not set, I say die connection error. So then you have to select the database. For this, as previously said, login underscore db is the name of my database. So I'll be selecting this database using this connection variable, and then I'll be passing the user inside my super global variable, which is $_post, into this ID and also the password. And inside this query variable I'll be writing my query, which is inserting into users my username and passwords, how I'm inserting my rows into my tables. This explained through this in the insert query here. Now checking the condition using the if statement, like MySQLi query. If it is this query, then printing register successfully, and it has an external reference to login.php. It will ask to log in, and finally it closes the connection. So for sign up also I use an external style sheet. Here also I use the form method will be post and action will be hash. Here also I have 2 3 input tags. Two of them are text and passwords, and the third one is button. So here inside the PHP code I have if is set of dot underscore post is submit. If the user clicks the submit button, then this database connection is set using localhost as my DB host, root as my DB user, and password as null. Then using the same DB name as login underscore DB, and um, so as this the connection will be set. Now query to retrieve the data is used using passing my name of my user and password to this super global variables, which will be stored in this ID and password variable. So now these two are my query part. This one is my query, so I'll be selecting all my users and I'll be storing in this query. And now this query I'll be retrieving and stored in this result variable. So now I'll be checking my conditions now. If my username will be matched, which matches with this ID, and also if the password matches with this password, the stored password, I say true, else I say false. Now coming to the else statements, if it is true it will display my connectivity page, if it is false it will display invalid username and password. So it will go to header location php dot or connectivity dot php, which is it will move to this page which is locked successfully. And this one I have explained already. So thank you for watching my video.